Introducing the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Light E120, the future of outdoor lighting. Imagine an outdoor light that goes beyond the ordinary, embarking on a mission to revolutionize your outdoor ambience. Meet the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Light E120. With its expansive 100-foot range and 60 dual LED RGB lights, this game changer can turn any dull space into a vibrant experience, giving a whole new meaning to outdoor gatherings. But it's not just about aesthetics. The E120's weather-resistant design ensures long-lasting durability. Come sun or rain, the E120 remains a brilliant beacon. Eufy knows comfort and convenience matter. That's why the E120's installation process is as easy as breeze. No headaches. Just a step closer to a brighter outdoors. Control shouldn't be a luxury. With our smart control options, you're always in charge. Adjust the brightness, switch colors, or change patterns at your fingertips. Transform your outdoor space today. Experience the future of outdoor lighting with the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Light E120. Your brighter tomorrow begins now.